Hi, it's Angie, and today I'm sharing my two-tone Pandora bracelet. So I have my two-tone collection of charms on my Pandora signature bracelet, and this is the one with the 14 karat gold in the center. And even though I didn't intend to actually put together a two-tone bracelet, it just sort of happened because my collection of the charms grew. And when I was at one of the Pandora outlets, they had a good deal on this particular bracelet that included the heart-shaped travel jewelry box. So it was too good a deal to pass up, and I decided to put together this two-tone collection. So I'm going to open up the bracelet and show you each charm a little bit closer. So after the gorgeous signature clasp itself, which I think is really beautiful, I have the Hearts safety chain. And one day I would love to have the two-tone Hearts safety chain, but this is the one that I found and could afford at the time. Next we have interlinked circles, which is a nice mix of the cubic zirconia silver and then a gold circle too, and very pretty CZs on the side. This is one of the contemporary charms, and I originally bought it to go on my open bangle as a featured charm because it's so beautiful, but when I put this bracelet together I wanted to add it on here. Next I have Dashing Through the Snow, which is a cute Santa sleigh with a little teddy bear that has a little gold heart in the center of his paws. And I find this charm is a little bit bulky, so I do like to keep it near the end of the bracelet so it's underneath my arm and it's a little bit more comfortable. The next charm is a favorite of fairy tale Pandora bracelets everywhere, and that's the Happily Ever After. And it's very sweet and very detailed, and on the bottom is the little bit of hidden 14 karat gold, which is the crown, and it does have a pink CZ inside. After is a really pretty little padlock heart, and it has a little dangly 14 karat gold key. Next we have the sunburst clip, and I was looking for these for quite some time and was very happy to find them. And I just happened to ask in a different Pandora store that I was in, and she said it was part of a set. So she broke up the set and sold me the two sunburst clips that were on it, and I was very happy. Another charm that many people have on their two-tone bracelet is Songbird, and this is such a nice charm, and I was also very excited to find this one. There's just so much work that is in this one, and it's got the little dangly heart on top and the little gold bird. And I think it's really neat that they designed it with the door of the bird cage open so that the bird could fly free. The Royal Carriage is a very popular charm, and a lot of people also have this on their fairy tale bracelet as well. It's beautiful, and it's got the little gold crown on top with the addition of a pearl. So it's very sweet, and it looks really nice from the top. It looks nice from the side. You can see the little princess in there. Very cute. The next charm is the centerpiece of my bracelet, and it's a dangle, and it says I love you with a 14 karat gold heart dangling from it. It's got CZs around the top, and on the back it says forever. So I love you forever, and my husband gave me that for Valentine's Day. Frog Prince is another retired charm that I was happy to get, and he's very cute with his little webbed feet and his golden crown and little flowers on his back. I was lucky once again to just happen to ask in another Pandora store whether they had Bear Hug, because I really wanted this one. Two little hugging bears that have a gold heart in between them. Then I have the next sunburst clip. And this charm was one of my first with the 14 karat gold, and it's Apple of My Eye. And I love this one because it's just a nice solid silver charm. It's got the pretty 14 karat gold leaves and stem on top, and it even has the little blossom of the apple underneath. This charm is the seashell with starfish, and it's another iconic two-tone Pandora charm, and I love it with the little gold starfish on there, and obviously just represents my love of the ocean, going to the beach. Next is the cupcake with the little gold cherry on top. Really cute, very detailed, and everybody loves a cupcake. And finally I have the Friendship Flower Clip, And initially this is the one I picked out to have for both clip stations on my bracelet, but the store only had one. So I bought it in hopes I would find another one, which I didn't, and it's now retired. And I had first seen this one on my best friend's bracelet and loved it, and of course wanted it too. So when I found it, I grabbed it even though there was only one. And I hadn't even realized it was called Friendship Flower Clip. So that kind of works out perfectly and reminds me of her. So that is it for the Pandora two-tone bracelet. I actually feel I have enough charms on here. It's pretty full. I like to leave a little bit of room so I can get my bracelet fairy on there to do it up. And there's still a bit of play between the charms, so I do like that clicky sound. But I think it's really beautiful. And I'm very happy with how it all turned out, especially now that I found my sunburst clips. Maybe one day I'll invest in a two-tone safety chain, but for now I'm pretty pleased with how it's turned out. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing my version of the Pandora two-tone bracelet.